First of all, Happy New Year to all of you and welcome to my channel Today's Mind by Astha. So हम पहुंच चुके हैं अपने बहुत ही फेवरेट डॉक्टर, ऑल टाइम फेवरेट डॉक्टर वशिष्ठ के साथ, जिनके साथ आज हम बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट एक टॉपिक पे डिस्कशन करने जा रहे हैं, जिसकी वजह से बहुत से पेरेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब हैं, टेकिंग केयर फॉर देयर किड्स एंड इवन द ओल्ड एज parents and all. So hello Dr. Vashisht, how are you? HMPV seems to be very latest villain in the town these days. So can you give us some simple breakdowns of what it is and how it typically affects the children or the old age and what precautions we should take about it?
First of all, this HMP virus, the full form is human metapneumovirus. This is not a new virus to us.
Okay.
This virus is approximately 50 years old and it commonly affects children before 5 years of age or elderly after 50 years of age or those with asthma and other immunodeficient conditions, right?
Okay.
It is just like any other virus which causes cold, swelling in the windpipe, fever, body ache and headache. Normally it is a self-limiting illness. Usually it takes 5 to 7 days for recovery. Sometimes it takes up to 2 weeks and only symptomatic treatment is required. And do not panic if there is any symptoms like this. And we can diagnose this virus by a simple test which is called as PCR test. PCR test is basically we have to take fluid from the oral cavity or nasal mucosa and we send it for the test. And if it comes positive, no extra precaution is required, no extra management is required, only symptomatic treatment like for pain and fever we can give paracetamol, we have to take nebulizer, cough syrups, antihistaminics. Only in person who are suffering from asthma or those babies who are premature or with other any lung problems, they can have problem with HMPV. Usually if it becomes severe, it can cause pneumonia and sometimes it requires ventilatory support also.
Okay, so like even the pregnant women, the new moms, they don't have to worry about
No. This does not affect the fetus basically. No. Precaution is basically with any other virus. We have to avoid outdoor activities. Don't go to the crowded places. If you have cough and cold, just apply mask. Wash hand properly, maintain proper hygiene. There is no need to panic basically.
And is there any like diet you can, which we can include in our daily diets?
Diet is basically you have to keep yourself healthy. You have to eat healthy diet, avoid junk food, avoid biscuits, bread.
Yeah.
Take more of green leafy vegetables, take dal.
Like they say na, okay, increase your immunity instead of worrying about these diseases and viruses. Like in kids, mothers are really very कि ये भी खाओ and बच्चा is like मतलब कितना खाए ना वो कि मुझे ये भी चाहिए. So is there specific diet I want to know कि वो तो daily आपको include करनी है?
No, diet में basically it should be a balanced diet. Balanced diet means it should include everything. It should have vegetables, fruits, dal, paneer, milk, everything you have to include.
And vitamin C is also.
No. Nowadays vitamin C is of no use. Vitamin C and steam inhalation, they are of no use. It's clearly written in the books. They are just a placebo.
Oh. अच्छा.
But so they are not useful.
Basically हमारे घरों में ऐसा होता है ना कि मतलब you have a cold, okay, take the steam or
the steam is just a placebo.
Okay, then instead of that we should start taking like.
We have to go to the crowded places. If someone is suffering from cough and cold, we have to maintain proper distance and that person has to wear mask basically. Only protection is effective, not vitamin C and
like
steam.
Like people are taking vitamin C tablets also. I saw many.
That is not effective at all.
Not to worry at all and be calm. Just go with the natural and day routine with the natural flow. With the very very calmly every day. No need to be in a hazard and don't panic at all, especially for your kids because you panic then your kids will be more.
ये दूसरे किसी वायरस की तरह ही है जिसमें कोई चिंता घबराने वाली बात नहीं है. नॉर्मली जैसे सारे वायरस 5 से 7 दिन का टाइम लेके चले जाते हैं, ये भी यूजली 5-7 दिन का टाइम लेके चला जाएगा. सिंस ये ओरिजिनेट अभी इसकी जो सारी बात हो रही है इट इज फ्रॉम चाइना, सो पीपल आर वरीड कि ये कोविड जैसा तो नहीं है, कोविड बिल्कुल अलग चीज थी, ये बिल्कुल
Right.
अलग है, एंड दिस इज existing from last 50-60 years.
So basically, these whatever precaution doctor is telling us, it's for everyone.
हाँ,
It doesn't matter the age or anything. You can, in a general way, you can take all these precautions because virus has no age and
yes.
no nothing. Okay, so Delhi winters are all about sweaters and smog. All the pollution, all the things are going on. So, doctor, how many layers of woolen a child should wear?
Covering is not very important, though it is important, but पेरेंट्स आस्क मी कि डॉक्टर साहब कितने कपड़े पहनाने, मैं कहता हूँ जितने आपने पहने उससे एक लेयर एक्स्ट्रा, दैट्स ऑल। जब भी पेशेंट मेरे पास आता है वो कहता है डॉक्टर साहब बच्चे को ठंड लग गई, चाइल्ड इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम कफ एंड कोल्ड, व्हेन वी इंक्वायर में पता लगता है घर में किसी और को भी खांसी जुकाम है, उससे बच्चे को इन्फेक्शन कैच हो गया, पेरेंट्स थिंक उसको ठंड लग रही है। तो कवरिंग के साथ साथ आपको प्रॉपर प्रिकॉशंस लेनी है, जिसको खांसी जुकाम है उससे डिस्टेंस रखना है, हैंड वॉश करना है, क्राउडेड प्लेसेस में नहीं जाना, मास्क का यूज करना है, पर्सनल हाइजीन का ध्यान रखना है।
Any points you want us to cover up in this smog thing,
Small thing, मैं basically don't go outside,
Is it okay if the kids are
avoid
playing
outdoor activities. If you can afford, you can use that air purifier at home
Is it good to use it?
to some extent, basically.
Because the people, I don't know, it's a myth or it's what, but some people say ki okay, don't be in a regular thing.
No,
With this,
but
it
the
will make a
problem,
habit.
no, the problem with air purifier is air purifier you can keep only at home.
Yeah.
But when you go outside, you have
Then
to.
what happened? You have to face the world.
But when there is a smoke outside, there is a pollution outside, kids can remain inside the house, and that time you can use purifier because that same
But will
pollution
that
is coming inside.
affect the adapt?
No.
If they are at home, then they are getting fresh air, and then they
No.
go out. No.
Whenever there is a smoke, stay indoor, use purifier. When outside weather is good,
Right. Go and fine. When we heard like it's a summers, we usually drink the water ourselves. Okay, so I want you to clarify to our viewers also, ki is it water important in winters too? In the same way in the summer.
Water is important in
quantity
winters
and-
as well as summer both. Hydration is important in winters as well as summer. So proper hydration is very important. So you have to take care of your daily water intake.
And how can we alert ourselves to drink a water, because usually winters में होता है कि हम लोग याद ही नहीं रहता है and suddenly we realize कि मतलब afternoon तक कि अरे we didn't had a water.
उसके लिए तो
Usually-
आपको you have to, if you are busy
You have
for
to-
work, you have to take water bottle with you.
Because usually ये तो बहुत ही होता है winters में तो
नहीं तो
mainly
उसमें तो
होता ही
फिर
है.
अपना ख्याल तो अपने आप ही रखना
Yeah,
पड़ेगा, आपको कोई
actually.
अलार्म सिस्टम नहीं हो सकता।
I think it happens with the mother usually, because mother are the alarms for the kids, but for the mothers
तो mothers
they have to be their own
have to be
alarms.
take care of themselves, क्योंकि वो ठीक रहेंगे तभी बच्चे ठीक रहेंगे।
Yeah, that's a good one. Okay, I want to know about the mobile phones, which are majorly accessible between the kids and even with the
The
seniors,
mobile phones basically
adults.
it is
every
affecting
age.
mainly the mental effect of the child. Basically, they becomes more aggressive. Their orientations becomes less attentive. Basically, affecting the studies of the child. Basically, for everything they want mobile. पढ़ते वक्त वो बीच बीच में मोबाइल देखते रहते हैं, या फिर अगर खाना खाएं तब भी मोबाइल देखते रहते हैं, तो it is not good for
So-
their health. Basically, awareness among parents are very important because initially parents मोबाइल दे देते हैं बच्चों को खुश करने के लिए, धीरे धीरे उसकी आदत पड़ जाती है, तो धीरे धीरे स्क्रीन टाइम बढ़ता है, affects the mental health, affects the eyesight, everything basically. So you have to be very careful.
with the screen time.
Yes.
Basically, not कि आप मोबाइल अवॉइड करा के उनको
हाँ,
टेलीविजन के आगे
हाँ,
बिठा रहे हैं, तो वो भी इक्वली हमारे लिए मतलब वो है ना, बिकॉज बेसिकली होता है ना कि मदर्स फादर्स को टाइम ही नहीं मिलता, सो व्हेन दे गेट अ टाइम सो दे गिव अ मोबाइल टू द किड, अच्छा तू अपना
because
बिजी रहे, हम अपना
nowadays there is a nuclear family, so
Yeah.
use of mobile is much more.
But doctor, like it's very difficult for even a working parents to give the activities, so much activities to the kids. So is there a particular time which we can we can keep away also a child in this era from the mobile or a screen time? So is there any particular time or hours or a minutes that we
So
can
whenever
give to
you return
child.
home, best is to switch off the mobile or keep it on the silent mode basically.
the
Once you are at home, keep 1 hour at least for your children basically.
Yeah.
At least you should have lunch or dinner with your children without using mobile. You should switch off the mobile. That is very important. And Saturday and Sunday, whenever you get time, take them for the outdoor activities. That is
Is
very,
there
very important.
any minimum time we can, tell them to watch the TV, or any time, but
Well,
like half an
there is
hour
no
or
fixed
1 hour
time,
or 20 minutes?
But 15 minutes, half an hour is more than enough.
More than
This is what I think.
Basically, it's very difficult for even parents, to keep them away totally from so the practical thing is that instead of, putting them into that कि मम्मा बाहर जाए और हम टीवी देख रहे हैं, so it's better कि to allow them, बस fix the time for the half an hour as doctor is saying. So now we just wind up the questions with the Dr. Vashisht, and if you want to ask more question about a child, so you can definitely contact Dr. Vashisht. The number will be there on the screen. And if you want to comment any question and you want me to ask him on your behalf from anywhere, in the India world or wherever you want to, call him, he's always there. And the best part in this doctor is that he is going to answer you even if you call him 3 a.m. in the night. Can you imagine? So that is the more important thing I really loved about him. And he's the only one who can, answer all my rubbish question or curious questions or anything. Even my husband, says me, okay, this is the question only Dr. Vashisht can answer you. So believe me, call once if you are, in any kind of problem. Dr. Vashisht is the best here. Thank you, doctor, for the evening. Thanks.